Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ki Nongri Ngap na Jilla Meghalaya bat kumju na ki ru ki Jilla hapok ka Thaiñ Shatei lamingi gari India kilawan ban Jingmyntoi ha ka program ai Jinghikai Shapang ka kam ringap ka badai kat kum ka juk start science baleng ba ka ni ka kam ringap kindang yo Jingmyntoi ban ya ka ba ki juri ha ki por bala letno ya ka ni ka program ai Jinghikai Shapang ka kam ringap la pelong da ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach lani ka ba ki khot nectar Kabadai ka Autonomous Body Jonggatanat Science and Technology ka Sarkar India ha RRTC Umran Ribhoi District. Kani ka program kala sedang menta ka sengi ka khandai tarik urisau arajar arpulai bat on penkut pat haduk ka khatlai tarik urisau arajar arpulai. Kibalawan bani Jingmyntoi syakani ka program ai Jinghikai gidei na ka Jilla Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya bat Arunachal Pradesh. Halor kini ka kam ringap lawan ai Jinghikai dau Jan Ari van Berkom ubadai na ka seng pom expert jonggari Netherlands kum uwei na ki riau syampang balatip bat ti bniap ha halor ka kam ringap kat kum gajuk start science. Haba ai Jinghikai syaginong ringap ki balawan bani Jingmyntoi hagani ka program u Berkom kum u riau syampang ulaong baki day ban buat no kat kum gajuk start menta khanang bakin dup yo Jingmyntoi kambon na ka kam ringap.
Our basic idea is that not only to give this basic training, this is what we're talking about, this basic training, but at the end that we are also looking forward in future so that we can give the training on the complete the bee concept of bee, not only the concept of bee but also how we can get the value added product out of honey like jelly, bee venom, pollen and all these things we are thinking about. And at the same time our main idea is to create an ecosystem where in particularly Northeast we don't have that, where the bee breeding center now we are taking from outside, then bee dispensary where we can have the treat the bees in a proper way, because in the country we have, in Hyderabad we are trying to collaborate with them. So our main idea is to bring all this ecosystem, all these things here in the Northeast. So with time, this is the basic training program. With time, we will provide you training on other programs also. So, my suggestion and request to all of you would be just try to extract as much as is possible from him. And he is an expert, came all the way from outside, and then and he is ready to give you his knowledge, his whatever he knows about this concept. So all of you try to get it, and I hope that Ian will do some hands-on also. So hands-on also he will do. So try to understand everything. Ultimately, in the next time onward, you should be the trainer for the people in your places. So with this, I again welcome all of you and wish you all the best for this program. And at the end, I would request you to give a kind of feedback that what you have learned and or your suggestion to what maybe change it again if it is required. So all the best, and looking forward to see you all throughout the training program.
Nakaliang ka office kajungi ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach kemudian ka office headquarter po Shillong. Ni pelong yakini ka training program Shapang ka scientific beekeeping management and value added products. De kajing le kajungi kalong ba ni persang na ka office ni ban pentri kami ka hani mission ha ka bangin la sedang ngaduk mencim senam bat mentang ya ha ki face bat mentang ni persang ban pelit jingmut kambon ha po ka training namar ke bangi syamba ki brujingi ho ki don ya kata kajing nang kajing start kajing nang kajing tip kumno ban penmi ko ngam Henry ru kidon ki por ba ki kisem kita ki jinjar kumno ban penim ni kita ki koloni te nakaliang kajungi ru ba ni itu ban ni sutu ba kidon bun kita ki lat ki bentah ka bangin la ban yo ye kita ki by products nakangap umde tang ko ngam Henry kita ki by products ru kum ki venom ki royal jelly bat kum ta ter te hakani ka training ni persang ban ai jing tip ba jing nang ye kini ki trainees ki ba wan nakaleng ka north eastern states kumba fitip ka office ni ka pej mdi tangi ka jila Meghalaya andre ya barok ka ka North East te kumju ru hagani ka training program ni don ki beekeepers ne ki Nongri Ngap ki ba napo Arunachal napo Nagaland na Meghalaya kumju na Assam bat kumta ter ni de ru ban yo ki nong shimbeta napo Sikkim andre na ki jingja ki bam la ker ki por meta kim shim la ban wan shu andre bat ni kermen ba limba kani ka training program kini ki trainees ni lani kini ki Nongri Ngap inda kila li phai sela ki jong ki jaka kila la kumno ban penbyang ban penbet penbyang khamba shu ya kita ki sing ki jong ki bat kumjuru kumno ban la ban package rai kita ki ngap ki jongi ki ngap ki jongi namar ba habet meta hoi ni la ban penmi kita ki ngap henry claim dadon kata ka packaging material ka babyang lada phemla ban label ba henry kamla ban yo kata ka dor ka babet ka babyang te lingba kani ka training program ni kermen ba nila ban ai jingtip shaki wei ba kumno bangin le ban yo kata ka value mo khambun shu kata ka jing koridor jong kata ka ngap